You are not stuck. You are overcomplicating this. You don't need a new course, a new strategy, and you definitely don't need to wake up at 5 a.m. to reinvent your life. What you actually need is consistency. Because most of the time, overwhelm is not from doing too much, but from too many directions. And you keep abandoning the plan before it has time to work. God doesn't bless constant pivoting, He blesses obedience. Depth comes from staying, and clarity comes from commitment. So stop trying to optimize everything and start committing to something.